YouTube sucks. But if you want to do this, then the best time to start is today. People think it's easy, just film and upload, but it's not. By now, 2/3 of viewers have dropped off. That's 66% that are no longer watching. But I'm not doing this for them. I do this for myself, and so that my kids can come back someday and hopefully learn a few things from these videos. Maybe they'll learn how to make something, or maybe they'll just learn something about their dad. Over the years, I've learned a lot more than I expected. Video and audio editing, and hopefully my ability to tell a story has gotten a lot better since my first video. I definitely could build things a lot faster if I wasn't filming at all. But I do enjoy sharing the process and the tiny little bit of feedback that I do get on my projects. I'm excited to have over 2,000 subscribers, but even with that, YouTube hasn't paid me a cent. Don't get me wrong, money and recognition would be nice, but I'm more like putting my story out there so that people can see my process, and it is nice to get a comment every once in a while, so it doesn't feel like I'm just talking into the abyss. If you think YouTube's something you want to do, then just start. Grab that iPhone that you're probably watching me on and point it at yourself. You don't need a fancy camera, you don't need lights, you don't need an amazing set. What you need is an idea that you're passionate about and to just get started. That video you make today is a door into your channel, and that's a door someone will walk through to view all your content. And every video you make after today is another door that someone can enter in through. Start building those doors today, and there's a lot more possibilities for tomorrow. It's definitely a lot of work, but you're going to learn a ton along the way, and you're going to keep improving with every single video that you put out. And if you're a woodworker too, maybe someday you'll actually finish a project as well. You're going to get frustrated. You're going to not get the views you want. Nobody's going to like your videos. The important thing is you keep working along, keep posting videos, and keep improving your style and refining the way you do things. My last video on this desk build got about 68 views. That's definitely not a lot. And if I was only doing this to get views, it would be very depressing. But in the end, I'm trying to progress on this desk and document the entire build process. So I've got a secondary agenda that keeps me motivated and keeps me making these videos and working on the desk. If you're just in it for the money, you're not going to stick it out. So make sure you're passionate about creating the videos, creating the content, and letting your channel grow. Of course, if you do get some comments, some of those are likely to be haters that are just putting down the hard work that you've done. Just ignore them. They're not worth your time. And what they're saying in the comments says more about them than it does about you. Just keep working along, getting better at what you do, and posting those videos. Keep putting in the effort, then eventually, like this drawer, things will start to come together. I'd love to get a lot of views on this video, but I most likely won't. What's more important to me, beyond getting this desk done, is to help motivate you to make that first video or to post that second, third, or future video and keep going in your YouTube journey. As for me, it's probably time for me to stop talking and get this electronic lock installed. If you're waiting on the best gear or the perfect timing, this is your sign. Just get started. Make something, mess it up, and make it again. You just have to care enough to begin. And if you'd like to continue to follow along with my journey, feel free to check out this video here, another door for you to open.